How to assemble H4C Max. Find the small hole on the side. Screw in the portafilter until it's tight. Turn the machine upside down and open the battery compartment. If the battery runs out, simply detach and replace it with a spare. Flip to the back of the machine to find the indicator. Find the stand icon. Install the machine onto the stand as instructed. Add an appropriate amount of espresso grounds, recommended 1820 G. Paper filter compatible. Attach the portafilter with coffee grounds onto the stand. Add an appropriate amount of water room temperature or hot. Double-click for cold brew or instant coffee. Double-click the hot extraction button for heated brewing. Detachable stand allows switching brewing accessories, perfect for on the go. Unlock as indicated. Push the lever up to the unlock position. Rotate the machine to align the triangle with the circle. Take it out. Remove the connector that needs to be replaced and align its triangle symbol with the hollow circle on the machine body. Then, rotate the machine until the triangle aligns with the solid circle. The unlock lever will spring back automatically to lock the connector securely. Take out the capsule that matches this capsule adapter. Use the NS adapter for NS capsules and the DG adapter for DG capsules. Demonstration of the portable folding metal stand and the simple stand. Similarly, if you need to switch to another adapter, you can find the unlock icons on the back of the machine. Push the unlock lever up to the unlock position. Rotate the machine until the triangle aligns with the hollow circle, then remove the adapter.